Alright, so let's look at this second type of quadratic trinomial, that is 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. As I explained in the type 1 already, the type 1 never had a coefficient near the x square, but this type 2 has a coefficient of the x square. So you are now going to look at when it has a coefficient near the x square, how you deal with it. So the first thing that we need to do, as usual, we need to multiply the coefficient of the first degree and the last part. So this is 3 and negative 5. So I'm going to multiply the 3 times the negative 5. That is it, 3 negative 5 here. So this here, then this here. And I'm going to get what? Negative 15. So that's the first thing you're supposed to take note. So we will take the 15, this 15, and look for the factors of 15. Now, what are the factors of 15? We have what? 1, 3, 5, and what? 15. So these are the possible factors of 15. After you are done, we are going to look at these factors that we have here. We are going to pick 2 of them, in which when we multiply, we'll get this negative 15. When we multiply, we'll get this negative 15. And when we add or subtract, you are going to get this positive 2x. When we multiply, we get this negative 15. When we add or subtract, we are going to get the middle part, which is the positive 2x. And looking at it, the possible values is what? First of all, 3 and 5. But when we multiply 3 times 5, we are going to get 15, not negative 15. Are you getting it? Meaning that this one of them have to be negative for us to get negative 15. Now pay attention to something here. If I make this one negative 3 times 5, that is negative 3 times 5 will give me what? Negative 15, right? Good. Now let's come to the addition. Negative 3 plus 5 will give me what? Positive 2. And here is positive 2, which will agree to 8. Supposing if I should have made it 3 times negative 5, yes, it will give me negative 15. But 3 minus 5 will give me what? Negative 2. But the coefficient of x here is positive 2. So this one will not have agree with it. So this is agreeing. So you are picking negative 3 and positive 5. So when you are done picking this, which is now going to be negative 3x plus 5x, you are going to substitute this and replace it with the 2x and expand it. So now let me come down so you see how it is. So I have 3x squared plus 2x minus 5. So we are now going to expand these 2x. This 3x will stay. That is this 3x squared. Now this positive 2x, you are going to replace it with this one. Negative 3x plus 5x. Then my minus 5 to come here, minus 5. Negative 3x plus 5x will give you positive 2x. So it now agrees. So when you are done, the next rule is that whenever it is 4, they are trying to tell you that factorize the first 2 and the last 2. That's what they are trying to tell you. So I'll take these 2 and I'll factorize. 3 is common here. So 3 comes out. X is 2 here, 1 is here. So I'll pick 1x here, I'll pick 1x here. So it will come out. So after it is done, 3x has come out. The x was 2 here, 1 has come out. So it will be left with what? 1 here. So my x will be here. Then minus 3 has come out, x has come out. So it will be left with what? 1. Because 3x minus times negative 1 will give you negative 3x. That is it. Then here plus 5 is common here. 5 will come out. It's left with x here. Minus, then 5 divided by negative 5. Positive 5 divided by negative 5 will go to give you negative 1. That's why positive 5 times negative 1 will give you negative 5 when it's expanded. So I always say whenever you are doing this, your brackets always have to be the same. So x minus 1, x minus 1, it will tell you that you're on the right path. So when you are done, the one in the bracket, you put them in 1, and the one outside 2, this one, you put them in 1 bracket. So you're going to get 3x plus 5, the one outside, then the one inside.